there is an abundance of AI tools at your disposal right now. Clicky is one of those AI tools that I just discovered that will absolutely, literally change the game in terms of how you use your computer. Every time you need AI help, while you're working, you stop, you alt tab, you copy, you paste, you describe it, it comes out trash. You paste your context, or worse, you try and describe it, you get an answer, you alt tab back, and you've lost your place. This is a free Mac app. Sees your screen, talks back, points at buttons. I'm going to show you a few demos right now. I'm sure you can see the blue cursor following my current cursor right now. So what you're going to do is Control Option. And once you click Control Option, you speak to it and it's going to give you an explanation of what to do. So if you want to download it, this is what you do. You're going to go to clicky.so and you're going to enter your email.
Landing page, drop your email in the field and hit download to grab it.
Once you click download, it's going to take you through some setup steps. Let's say that you want to build a content calendar on Notion. However, you have no idea how to use Notion. So what you can do is you can ask Clicky to build you the content calendar. So we'll go onto our Notion page and say, hey Clicky, can you build me a content calendar for Notion from scratch?
On it. Notion.
So how this works is, while it builds your Notion calendar, it's going to prompt you if it needs logins or anything along those lines. However, the agent actually comes up on the top corner. So as you can see, this is now an agent that's running. So it perform the task for you while you do other things. So while I do other things. So it doesn't stop you. It doesn't stop you from actually working, because ideally, as it's doing or performing all those tasks, as it's performing other tasks, it works in the background and it performs the task for you, which is really, really cool from something that's just like a simple. The other thing that we can do is we can say, do some market research for me, for my business, and give me my top 3 competitors, send it to me as an HTML.
On it. Diving into that research.
So now that's another agent that it's spinning up. So it has the ability to spin up multiple agents while you do your normal everyday tasks. Now,
what business should I research? And do you want me to use a website or just the company name?
I want you to use a website. This is for an AI automation business. Who are my competitors in Australia?
Competitor research for you now. Tell me which website to use, what you want me to do on it.
Just research some AI automation businesses, not a specific website, no a specific company, and what my target market would be, and give me some more information on how I can improve my business. And there you go. This is just an example of the report that they built us, quickly targeting our target market, and that all occurs in the background while you're performing other tasks. So if you're watching a YouTube video where you're working and you're doing other things, you can set Clicky to create or to perform tasks for you, or using just English and verbal language, and it will go in the background, spin up an agent, and perform a task for you. This tool is so easy to use that I am so sure that your mom can use it. This is a tool that I can see evolving and making an actual great change. And even though we have this open, you can just see it creating and working on the content planner while we were doing other tasks. So this is the content planner that we just asked it to build. So it's building this content planner, and it's really cool because while you're doing your other tasks, it's performing tasks for you. The setup is very simple. Once you download it, it's going to ask you a couple of prompts, ask you a couple of permissions. The other option is an open source model, and the open source model, you would have to use your own APIs, and the APIs would be your Anthropic API key, your 11 Labs API key, and or your OpenAI key. Same thing with this. If you want to set this up, you can literally just copy this GitHub repo, go into your Claude. You can open the GitHub repo, go into your Claude desktop or your Codex, whatever you use, paste it, say, set this up for me, and it would walk you through all the steps. See, I did that in one prompt and it was fully set up. I will say it is probably the handiest tool that I've actually added onto my stack recently. Its capabilities I can see evolving to something that's really phenomenal. That's a working content calendar. I didn't watch a tutorial. I didn't read a blog post. Usually, especially with Notion, the barrier for entry is a little bit higher in comparison to everything else. So having a tool that can literally perform these tasks for you as you run everything else is a massive benefit. Here's another example. So I'm in Ableton, and what I'm going to do, and I want to add Sidechain to this set of chords. New producers, I know this one's the one that breaks everyone. Just to show you.
Your main calendar items today look like morning routine, weekly meeting, Build and Bloom meeting, and 2 operational diagnostic meetings with James Whitmore and Hardik Patel.
So that now I just went through my calendar. After I went through my calendar, it just let me know what my calendar is while I was performing all these other tasks. I'm just going to show you the power and the impact it actually has on your potential workflow and its ability to understand complexities on your actual PC while you work. I'm just going to do another demonstration on Ableton. Right? This is totally unfamiliar to a lot of you guys. However, I just want to show you that it can actually perform tasks that are quite foreign. All right. So let's say that I'm going to say, Clicky, I want to add sidechain onto my operator. Can you walk me through adding sidechain to this?
Track compressor on track 1. Then compressor, click the sidechain toggle on the left and pick track 2 as the audio source.
It quite literally walks you through exactly what you need to do. It will walk you through whatever steps that you want to learn, which I think is the most phenomenal thing about AI, is that it gives you access to learn anything that you really want to learn, which is why I find this tool so handy, because now you just have to verbalize what you want to do, the pointing at the exact button, no tutorial needed. Ideally, you have a live person who's going to do a tutorial for you, or a live AI. And I think that's absolutely phenomenal. So there you go. One free app, a demonstration, and that's what Clicky does. Right now, it's only for Mac and it's free. However, once you download it, it's going to ask you to do some very basic login steps. From here, you can only imagine how good application is going to be in the next year, given that how quickly AI is moving and evolving. The pointing feature is a thing. Every chatbot answers question. This one shows you where to click inside your actual application in real time. It's not a chatbot, it's a teacher sitting next to you. Download link is in the description below. It's free. It's Mac only, unfortunately. Windows waitlist is coming up. If you found this useful, do like and subscribe. We do share a bunch of these tools in our school.com and a bunch of workflows for free. Practical tools that will actually increase your productivity and your workflows. No fluff. I'll see you in the next video.